Clothespins, another thing that I really like. You can tell that I have lots and lots of clothespins. So what can we do with all of these clothespins? Well, let's get started here. So as you can see on my Christmas tree, I had done a lot of Santa clothespins. I took all these little images that was from a really cute wrapping paper, and I reinforced the whole back of the wrapping paper with another piece of craft paper, and then I cut them out, and all I did is hot glue them on to my clothespin, and then I could stick them onto my tree, and that was really, really cute. Some other ideas is any of the images or vectors or things you can find or anything you even stamp, just cut them out and glue them onto your clothespins. Here's some mason jars here. I even did a little paper folded bow and hooked them on. If you were doing a baby shower or maybe had a clothesline, you could hold little baby clothes or bibs or something onto a clothesline with this one. Here's some winter Christmas villages. Same with these. You can put these on clothespins and just hang them on a garland, on a banner. Use them to hold your photos or your Christmas cards. Another unique thing that we did, and we stamped clothespins. This one just shows a real simple idea of some black and white stamping just on your clothespins, and we dyed them. What we did is use some tan grit dye and put it in a container, just a bucket. Then I put all my clothespins in and let them soak for about 20 minutes. Then I pulled them all out and let them dry, and you can dye your clothespins any color that you want. And then you can stamp them again with whatever words or designs that you would like to have. So I think you can get clothespins about 50 for $1 at Walmart. So you can pick them up pretty inexpensively, or even at the dollar store. One of the other things I did with these last year was I have a stamp that's just striped. And while they were all put together like this, I just stamped red ink on these, on the stripes, and it looked like candy canes. And that was really cute, and then I could just take them all off and they were all done at one time. So if you need ideas for other images and things, on my Pinterest, which is Carmen's Curiosity Shop, go to my board called Vectors and Black and White Images, and I have over 600 images in there that you can also choose from to cut out and put on your clothespins. Or one other idea is with paint chips. And we did this and added a little piece of wood to the back and hot glued the clothespins to that. And then on my paint chips, I just cut a little strip of each color and glued them to the front of each clothespin. And it's kind of a fun idea that you could add your little notes for the week, photographs, to-do list, anything that you would like. So whatever it is that you have, or depending on what occasion you're doing, anything you can cut out, anything you can find, you can take, put on the front of a clothespin, and use it for an embellishment. Have fun with your clothespins.